Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to introduce our final project. We are not going to have a final Schoology test that is worth 20% of our overall grade. Instead, we have decided to do something a little bit different, and I want to take a couple of minutes to explain that to you. So for those of you who don't like tests, this is great. This is a project-based assignment that's got a couple of parts to it. So over the next couple of minutes, this video is going to be a little bit long. I want you to pay really close attention to what I'm going to say. I want to explain this as carefully and as thoroughly as I possibly can. It's still worth 20% of your overall grade, so it's very important that you pay really good attention and do really well on this. You'll notice here I'm on my Schoology page, and under week 6 and 7, I have uploaded quite a few links. Don't get overwhelmed by this. You only really need to focus on 3 of them. This is the general directions, and then you're going to choose one of these 3 options to do for your assignment. In addition to that, you need to make a Flipgrid video about that assignment and upload it to the correct class that you're in. So for example, read the directions, choose to do the children's book, and then if you're in period 2, make a Flipgrid video about it. Or read the directions, choose to do the concept map, and if you're in period 5, make a Flipgrid video about it. Let's look at these directions. This project, as you can see, is going to be due Friday, May 15th at 11 a.m. You've got a menu here. You can do pick a task, which is a Google Slide children's book, or a concept map, or the semester 2 study guide. If you do the children's book, you need to make a video answering these focus questions as well. If you do the concept map, you also need to make a video explaining these focus questions. If you do the study guide, yes, you do need to make a video and answer these focus questions. So you've got 3 options, and each option has 2 halves. Here's the children's book. Okay. On Google Slides, you're going to create a new Google Slide project. And as the directions say, you will pick a 7-letter word and make 7 slides for it. And the A is for Apple style. For example, I picked the word science. I is for inertia. You've got a picture explaining inertia. You've got a written explanation of inertia. You're also explaining why it's important, okay? We've gone through, every freshman has this same assignment. These are common assignments, okay? And I've given you some tips and some hints. It's due May 15th via Google Share or direct email. And here is the rubric on how we're going to grade it, okay? The points are irrelevant, however, because this is worth 20% of your semester 2 grade. You can also choose to do a concept map. This is the concept map for the physical science, chemistry, physics, space, climate, earth sciences. Or you can do just semester 2. If you can do both of them blended together, that would be fantastic. You can use any of these options for completing your map. You can print it. You can take a picture of it. You can share it to me. You can electronic share it. The big thing that we're looking for here is 10 topics with strong connections. Last but not least, you can choose to fill out the standard final review guide. And this is something you will not create a new document for. This is something that will be similar to what we've been doing all year, where you'll just answer the questions after making the copy and then send it to me. Now, in all of these assignments, you need to make a Flipgrid video answering the focus questions, okay? This link, which is found here, Flipgrid tutorial, helps you get started with making a Flipgrid. However, I'm pretty sure all of you guys are really, really good at this already. So remember, there's 2 pieces. Pick a task, make a video about it. Pick a task, make a video about it. pick a task, make a video about it. You've got 3 options. Each video has got some guiding questions for you that you're going to put into your video. From my end, the way that I'm going to grade this is I'm going to find your document. Let's say you did your children's book, and I'm going to read through your children's book and I'm going to grade it. And then I'm going to find your video on the Flipgrid page, and I'm going to look through the video, and I'm going to combine those 2 things, and that's going to be your overall grade. As you can tell, this is going to take me a little bit for grading. Grades probably won't be ready until a week from the 15th, the 20th, or the 21st. This is going to take a little bit. I didn't want to do a test, though. I don't think you guys are ready for a test. I wanted to do a project where you can show some creativity and show what you've learned over the past 3rd and 4th quarters in a creative, individualized way. As usual, if you have any questions, please shoot me an email. I'll answer them as soon as I can. But we've got lots of detailed instructions here, lots of written material here. Everything that you need should be pretty clear. Have a wonderful rest of your day.